This client received a color analysis result from my color analysis service in 2023, and the result she received is not a common result. And in her update email to us, which we received recently in November 2024, she shared that she normally wouldn't send in pictures to share publicly. However, she has found my content and people sharing their stories and color analysis updates in my content so helpful for her own color analysis journey that she was inspired to give me permission to share this update. And I'm completely filled with appreciation for you and honored that you gave me permission to share your update. So here's one of the before pictures that she supplied. And this is her very much in a cool color. Here's her in more of a winter color. In her update email to me, she shared that she was expecting initially to receive a winter or a deep autumn result from my service. So what was the result she received? The result she received was True Warm, which is the palette exactly midway between autumn and spring. So what happened in step 1 of color analysis, the warm colors were the winner. In step 2, it was too close a call to decide between autumn and spring on her coloring. And then in step 3 of color analysis, the warm palette was ultimately the best. The best in terms of passing color analysis checks, that is. And here's her in one of the looks that she sent in her after photo package. I'm absolutely honored that she took the time to assemble these materials for us. She has created a whole fashion show that I'm going to share with you. And on my Instagram, I will share her complete email update with all of you in the reel so that you can read her experience and some of her tips about implementing the colors on her that has worked for her in her journey. Honestly, this package she has assembled is amazing. Here's the full outfit look that she created with her True Warm palette. Here's another fun look in her True Warm palette. And another fun look. Look at this fabulous purple on her. It's totally a True Warm purple. Here's her sparkling in a gold color in her palette. And here's another head to toe True Warm look. And here's her in another True Warm look. I am completely honored and filled with appreciation for you putting together this phenomenal package of materials. It is going to inspire and help other people who perhaps are in process of implementing their True Warm or Warm Spring or Warm Autumn palette results. Thank you so much. Yay, True Warm!